Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. Today's topic is Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Means Python was designed for readability and it has some similarities like English language with influence from mathematics. That means in this language we use maths symbols. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to the other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation using white space instead of curly braces like other languages for defining the scope, for defining the code blocks, for defining scope of loops, functions and classes. We use in this white space. For example, if we want to show any text on the screen, then we can use print function. And this example is given here. Print parenthesis start, double quote start, hello, comma, world, and double quotes close and parenthesis close. That means if you want to print anything on the screen, then you can use the print function. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and share my channel.